Doesn't it feel weird that after designing a website, you have to start coding it? What if I told you you can convert your design directly to your website? Well, with the Figma Dev Mode feature, you can now do that. Let me show you how. First of all, head out to the Figma website. Right-click on the design you want to open, then click Open. Once your design is done loading, the first thing you want to do is to turn on Dev Mode. After doing that, click on the design frame you want to convert to your website. Head out to the Inspect tab and click on Plugins. Once you're in the Plugins tab, search for Figma to Code. Click on the first result that appears. You then get the options to switch between HTML, Tailwind, Flutter, or Swift UI code. I'll click on HTML for now since I'm a web developer. Head down to Code. Now I can switch between React code, layout name, or just the optimal layout HTML code. Click on Copy to copy the code for the design. Open up your Visual Studio Code editor or any editor of your choice. Create a new file called index.html. Then paste the code you just copied. Open up your code in the browser and voila! You got your design as a website without writing any single line of code. Well, you can still do some code modification to get your website to look exactly as the design. To 2x your productivity as a developer, check out this video on how to open your Figma design right from VS Code.